what today we have learned is that the character of the tree and even the Raj Bhavan is same, because what tree does, it does not demand anything from us. Now what the governor Sridharan Pillai is doing, that he is publishing a book which is totally the information of the sacred trees, and he is distributing to everybody free of cost. He is not expecting any money from that book. He is giving it free of cost. The tree is giving free of cost, and today Rajyapal Sridharan Pillai is also distributing that book free of cost to everybody, so that they should come here, they should visit here, they should see this sacred tree, and they should also respect these trees and also nourish the nature.